National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Chesterfield County, Northwestern Charles City County, Western New Kent County, Southeastern Henrico County, Southeastern Hanover County until 11 p.m. At 10:15 p.m. Severe thunderstorm.
Johnson High School. I cheered as a columnist and then wondered, who is Johnson for? Turns out it's Lady Rebecca Johnson, wife of Sir William Booth.
Service in Wakefield. Severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Chesterfield County, Northwestern Charles City County, Western New Kent County, Southeastern Henrico County, Southeastern Hanover County until 11 p.m. At 10:15 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located near Bentley or near Highland Springs, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind, penny size hail. Radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. The thunderstorm will be near home at 10:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Roxbury and Bottoms Bridge around 10:40 p.m. Other locations affected by the severe thunderstorm include Wrights Corner, Richmond Heights, Elko, Montrose, Sandston, Glendale, Westwood, and Richmond International. For your posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield VA.
One obliteration of history at a time.